1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Hello again. In this lesson we're going to look at the finger picking accompaniment that I use to accompany the song Éirinn Neosfainn. This is the third lesson on this slow air, this old Irish song. I have two earlier lessons on how to pick the notes of the melody. One lesson where we pick the notes down here in the open position. And another lesson on how to pick the notes out an octave higher, moving up the fretboard. And you can download the tabs for those two lessons in the resources section. And you can also download the lyrics sheet with chords for this particular lesson that we're going to look at now. And I will also include a backing track of this finger picking pattern if you would like to play along with it using the melody notes that we looked at earlier on in the other two lessons. Now the following are the chords that I'm using in this song. G major, the song is in the key of G, so we've got G major, C major, D major, we've got E minor, A minor, A minor 7, which is similar to A minor just with my third finger removed, and D7. Now the finger picking pattern I'm using is in slow 3/4 time, so our count is 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. So my fingers are quite busy. Then my thumb is picking the one beat in each case. My fingers pick the following pattern: second string, third string, first string, second string, third string. So we've got 1 and 2 and 3 and. Leave your fingers rest here on the 3 strings. Your first finger is just under the third string, second finger just under the second string, third finger just under the first string. So you've up picks. Thumb down pick, 1 and 2 and 3 and. And that's the pattern used right throughout the song. The only thing will change is the chord shape, obviously, and which note you pick with your thumb. The fingers pick that same pattern right throughout. So for E minor it will be the same. The thumb picks the 6th string because that note is E, which is the root note. 1 and 2 and 3 and. For C, the root note is the 5th string, the 3rd fret, which is fretted, and that's the one beat. Similar pattern otherwise. 1 and 2 and 3 and. A minor, similar pattern because the thumb picks the 5th string again, that's the root note A. A minor 7, remove the third finger here on the left hand. And then we have D major, and the root note here is the 4th string open, and the same pattern. 1 and 2 and 3 and D7, same. 4th string again is the root note.
One,